What can they do about bringing innovative therapies to market that are expensive in this value-based model? I think they have a traditional model, which really what they call market access. And in market access, what that means is traditionally life sciences companies, whether you're a pharmaceutical company, a biotech company, or a medical device company, what that means is I'm going to get product registered, I'm going to get clinicians to adopt it, and then I'm going to go to the insurers and government to get that listed. And so that helps with the adoption of that technology, of that medical innovation. So that's the past. So that's what you call market access. That still exists today. But the issue about market access is that it needs to be reframed to a value-based model. So they really have to grasp this concept. Life sciences companies need to really reframe how they approach market access and look at what we call value materiality for each stakeholder group.
Yeah.
So there are generally methodologically 3 phases. The first phase is what we call the CFA phase, which is really to contextualize, frame, and appraise all the direct and indirect costs and benefits of the condition, of the disease, of the treatment versus current and existing treatments. So they really need to really have a good grasp to be able to contextualize, frame, and appraise. Now that's really important, and it needs to have really good data, and it needs to be assured. Then after they get the contextualize, frame, and appraise, we go into a second phase of the methodology, which is basically value add and value state, where based on the cost benefit analysis for each stakeholder group, can the life sciences company value add that particular innovative therapy to the system? So, stakeholders could be hospitals, specialists, it could be patients, it could be payers. So can the life sciences company beyond that particular treatment value add? And then can they meaningfully value state it? Now that's all great, but they need to be able to represent that, package it, and then get the right representation to go see multiple stakeholders. Now, once that's ready, then we call phase 3. They kind of move into a phase 3 where they do policy advocacy, where you take that and actually then you go out and you start to advocate for policy change. That's a trick. That's a skill. So, you have to be able to play the long game, because a lot of times when it comes to innovative and breakthrough treatments, the current policies, the current treatment protocols needs to be revisited and rewritten. So it's really quite a reframe, and I think that's what life sciences companies need to do to approach delivering and creating meaningful value.